Healthy mixed vegetable omelette recipe. It is rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals with low calories. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food, nutrition and education. Today I am going to show how to prepare healthy omelette recipe. In this fastest moving world, everyone have to be mindful while preparing and eating food. Simple food preparations can be more nutritious just by little modification to the traditional recipes. For example, omelette. Omelette is a very simple recipe. It takes just few minutes to prepare. One normal omelette prepared with single egg provides you 13 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat and 134 calories. This simple omelette could be more nutritious and it can provide you fiber, vitamins and minerals. So, how to prepare this healthy omelette recipe? Today I am going to show you how to prepare this healthy mixed vegetable omelette recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. Ingredients required to prepare healthy mixed vegetable omelette recipe are onion, coriander, mushroom, dry spices, oil, cabbage, tomato, spinach, carrot and egg. Take a mixing bowl and break down egg into the mixing bowl. Then add all the vegetables one by one. First I am adding onion, then chopped tomatoes, then mushroom. You have to slice the mushroom in thin slices. Then add cabbage, carrot, spinach and dry spices. In the dry spices, I have used turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and salt to taste. You can also use black pepper powder if you like. You can use vegetables of your choice. You can also add cheese, butter, cottage cheese to the recipe. It will be more tasty. As I am a little bit more conscious about fat, I am not adding butter or extra oil. Once we have added all the ingredients, the salt will make the vegetables lose some moisture and the mixture will be moist. Take a small skillet, heat it and add little bit of oil. No need to add more oil, just a half teaspoon or 1 to 2 ml of oil is enough. Spread the oil on the skillet. You can also use butter. Once the oil is hot, start pouring the vegetable and egg mixture into the skillet and spread it evenly. Once the egg start cooking, it will bind all the vegetables together and it will form a nice omelette. Now we have to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Once the egg start cooking, it will start binding the vegetables together. In 8 to 10 minutes, all vegetables will cook nicely. Cover the omelette with lid and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. We can open the lid and check it is cooked or not. If the color is not changed, it means it's not cooked yet. Now the color has changed to little bit whitish. It means the egg is cooked from down. Now we can turn it and cook from another side. Turn the omelette carefully and let it cook from another side. Cook it for further 5 to 6 minutes from another side till it golden brown and crispy. Healthy mixed vegetable omelette recipe is ready to eat. It is rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals with low calories. This recipe is perfect to eat at snack time. Even you can eat for breakfast. People those who are dieting can easily eat this recipe as a diet food. If you want to give this recipe to undernourished or low weight people, then you can add little bit cottage cheese or butter to this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from NutroLife. See you next time. Bye.